Ito pong resulta ng second set na kung saan NU nanalo 25-14 laban dito sa University of Batangas.
Well, look at this, and you're really dominating no, pagdating sa atake, 15 as opposed to 5 points. Ganun pa rin, very consistent itong team na to. But on top of that, I think itong NU successfully challenged yung reception nitong University of Batangas. They scored 3 aces in the second set.
And I believe that also itong NU has already solved yung quickness factor na hawak ng University of Batangas at alam na nila kung sino ang pwedeng atakihin at pagkirihin. And although they committed still 9 unforced errors, makikita mo kontrolado nila yung palitan laban dito sa University of Batangas.
Tama. At bukod dyan, of course, they're also able to maximize ang kanilang mga key players.
Dami.
Oo, talagang nabalasa rin naman ng setter ang pagbibigay niya ng play. So talagang kinailangan ding gumalaw ng depensa at mag-adjust ng depensa ng UB, University of Batangas.
And Jolan has done an excellent job na pabukahin yung mga masisipag na floor defenders. Monteser scores off that double block.
Ang maganda rin dito sa NU, Coach Ronnie, ang lalim din ng bench eh.
Bigat.
Kita mo, si Perez ngayon, masok naman para sa kanila. So talagang...
hindi maaga ginamit ha?
Oo, diba? Pero dyan mo makikita maraming mahuhugot na players from the bench.
Masyado mababa yung bola para kay Jaja Santiago. Jaja Santiago sprays that ball way too long. Two-set advantage para dito sa National U.
And crucial din naman para dito sa kupunan ng University of Batangas na dito sa set na ito ay maidikit man lang nila ang kanilang puntos kontra sa NU.
Madalog-dog. Always a joy to watch every time she scores.
Kailangan din yun, Coach, dahil kailangan mahawa mo yung teammates mo na mag-celebrate sa bawat puntos na nakukuha niyo.
These are big-name players that they're going against, diba? Mga national players na yan, mga celebrated players, acknowledged winners. Excellent block. Perez once again going to Singh. Singh rejected earlier. Perez on a post. Perez with a dump. Perez scores.
Si Perez, isa pa rin po sa mga matatangkad setter. Mas matangkad pa. Actually, sa iba nilang spikers, ano?
Magaling pa.
Always an advantage pagdating sa blocking din dahil ang binablock ng mga nasa utility or yung mga setters, outside hitters. So, kailangan very efficient.
Tapos left-handed pa. Once again, the Brahmans already with 2 attack points out of the 4 total points na hawak nila. Ito sa ating third set, 2-set advantage for National U, looking for their second consecutive win as the Brahmans are trying to avoid their second consecutive loss. A lot of time to prepare for Jaja Santiago. Kung titignan natin itong ultra-fast spike ni Jaja Santiago, talagang walang makakatigil. Brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the ultra-fast LTA for a happy family.
Matangkad na nga siya, mabilis pa ang bagsak ng bola.
At saka ang ganda rin ng reaction time nitong si Jaja, no? Mabilis kumilos.
Yeah.
One of the better servers na nakita natin. Mainstay of the national team.
What Jaja has learned pagdating sa service, yung now she's able to control her serve. Just the right amount of power.
Saka yung direction, yung placement na
kaya niyang hanapin kung saan niya gusto dalhin.
Jaja once again with a bullet. Montenegro. Kamalo pa rin ang Brahmans, courtesy of Monteser, pero hindi napapasok yun.
Sometimes what attackers fail to realize, kapag yung bola hindi naman na-iset at malayo sa net, iba na rin syempre dapat yung kuha ng kamay mo. It's not gonna be the same angle as when you're spiking near the net.
Na maayos yung bigay.
Oo.
Drop, but did not drop.
Lacked power that time. But, yes,
inantay na madalugdog bumaba yung dalawang blockers. Pero siya yung nalunod doon. Jaja Santiago and National U with 5 points. If it's fun, family, and pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Mas malutong yung serve doon ni Jaja. Jamila from the back. Jamila scores. Going deep.
Right now, for them to score the points, UB has to look for those open spots mula sa side ng NU.
3 attack winners para dito sa Batangas, dito sa ating third set. That's a good percentage sa kanilang 5 points na nakuha. Pero sa back set, alam mo si Sing hindi high leaper pero mautak at magulang pumalo, ano?
Kaya magpalusot ng bola and get those points. And yun nga nakakatuwa rin, no? We've seen itong si Sing nung bagong pasok pa lang. Ngayon, ang role niya, nag-evolve na, isa na siyang team captain. And through the years with experience.
Ang paniniwala ko dyan na, good things come to those who wait. Pero dadagdagan mo yan, good things come to those who wait and work the hardest. Diba? Pero talaga namang dadating yung panahon mo. May rotation ng talents eh. Nag-graduate yung iba. Pero kung hindi ka naman magsisipag at maghahanda ka lang sa panahon na darating, ay naku, hindi ka na ready nun.
At saka merong bagong talent na darating.
Yes.
So you know, players will always need to be on their toes. They need to exert that same effort all the time.
It's all about being ready when your number is called. No blocker there to rise and attempt to reject that last attack. Maganda-ganda ang porsyento rito ng Batangas. 4 attack points for them here in the third set. Ivy Perez going to Myla Pablo. Parang practice ito para sa National U. 8-7, 1.8 for the Bulldogs here in our first technical timeout. Welcome back to the Shakey's V-League. Abangan po sa Webes, FEU versus Arellano University. Ito pa rin po sa GMA News TV. At abangan nyo rin si Ms. Trisha Robredo sa kanyang third set report.
At Coach Ron, hindi makakailang naglaro kanina si Aiko Ordas ng National U na medyo naiilang pa at sobrang natutrauma pa sa kanyang nakaraang injury. Hindi lang kasi ACL ang ni-recover niya, kundi 3 weeks before the opening of Shakey's V-League ay nag-suffer din siya ng minor MCL injury on the same leg. Now, while their PT assured me of her mint condition, sabi naman sa akin ni Aiko na hindi niya maiwasang isipin ito tuwing tumatalon siya at naglaland sa court. While National U would want the volleyball to slowly overcome this mental battle, sabi naman ni Coach Ahmed sa kanyang University of Batangas na wag dapat kayo magpapa-intimidate. To ease the pressure off these girls, sabi niya rin, what's more important than the outcome is the process. Ang pinag-uusapan dito ay hindi kung mananalo tayo matatalo, but how you will play and how you will learn. Back to you guys.
Wow, yun sa report ni Trisha. Coach, ang hirap din para kay Ordas na coming from an ACL injury and then again,
same leg.
Same leg pa, MCL naman.
Saka, ayun nga kay Trisha, kapangyayari lang. So, hindi
Very
lang
fresh.
trauma, talagang ibang sakit naman yan dahil ibang parte ng tuhod. Yung MCL po ay yung nasa bandang gitna, dito sa outside part ng tuhod. Medial collateral ligament. 8-all, third set, 9-8, third set. Jaja Santiago looking to put away this set.
And she's happy about that point.
Sa atin, naalala ko, as we take a look at this Ultra Fast Bike that is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast LTA for Happy Family. Nung napapanood ko pa sila sa UST noon, mahihain pa itong magkapatid na ito.
Hindi na. They've grown accustomed to the camera,
And the
the
limelight.
fans, and the limelight.
Kasi dati nakayuko pa si Dindin, si Jaja, dahan-dahan pa yan.
Ayaw pa magpa-interview ni Jaja dati.
Oo. Naalala ko sila na, sabi ko, gagaling itong mga batang to. Kasi hindi naman sila yung malalaki na malalambot eh.
Oo. Kita mo, may form, may
Meron. Sa coordinated. The official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Mikasa.
Right, Coach, no? Not awkward. Hindi awkward,
Yes.
diba? Yung footwork.
Correct. Maganda yung coordination dahil yung iba kasi, makikita mo, hirap gumalaw eh. Pero sila, mabilis kung kinakailangan, may talon kung kinakailangan, at maganda yung hand-eye coordination na tinatawag. Yung reaction time din, napakaayos. Myla Pablo for National U. Back set, double block. Net touch para sa National U. Yan yung isa sa mga tawag na doon sa ating pagdaos ng international competition ay ating nakita na talagang itinatawag. Talagang masayaran mo lang.
Net violation. So, kailangan yung ingat din talaga. Sometimes, of course, the players get a little bit too eager while the ball is in play. Pero yung ingat, very important.
When the battle is up there, advantage araw National U. When the battle is downstairs, may chance rito ang Batangas.
Tama. Ang kailangang sagot na lang ng University of Batangas palagi pag nakikita nila na yung malalakas umupensa sa NU ang kukuha ng bola, hintayin na lang nila sa floor.
Sahurin mo na lang, di ba?
Oo. Just make sure that you keep the ball alive.
Monteser, napakalakas ng loob, napakatapang, uplifting.
Overreaching. I think also the backliner itong si Perez. Yun din ang mahirap, no? If you're a tall setter at tumalong ka ng konti, lagpas na yung kamay mo.
Matangkat si Ivy Perez.
Oo.
Sing. Way too long.
Yan yung usual na nagiging error nitong si Sing. Ano? She really is a very powerful attacker. Pag nasa ilalim siya ng bola, lumalabas talaga ang kanyang palo.
Kasi hindi siya high leaper, so hindi niya mabaon.
Kinukuha niya sa ilalim.
At itong ace setter ng University of Batangas. Nice floater for Monteser. Or for Castor, rather. Urdas. Monteser, blocked. Perez to Urdas. Urdas does not deliver. Nakikita mo, kumukuha pa siya ng tamang buwelo, no?
May alalay pa dun sa kanyang tuhod.
Hindi yung 1-2 motion, pero I'm sure naiinip na rin siya at frustrated kapag kaminsan dahil alam mo na mas mahusay ang kaya mong ipakita. Perez. Checked. Pablo from the back. Nagawa ng paraan. Monteser against Jaja. Pablo diving. Jaja with a free ball. Jamila. Castor.
Nakuha pa ni
Ivy
Jaja.
Perez.
That was a long rally. At talaga namang dinipensahan itong ating mga players to try to keep the ball alive.
To the delight ng ating mga kasama dito sa loob ng Philoy Flying D Arena. Dalawang tumalon pero hindi nila inabot. 6-4. Laban sa dalawang blockers, no problem for Jaja Santiago. Santiago and the Bulldogs 13.
Nakapuntos pa itong University of Batangas.
No communication at all. Jaja Santiago frustrated after that last point that they gave up.
Because that was a high ball, Mataas yung bola at malayo eh.
Hindi na siya sasagot doon. Siya nang nag-serve. Pablo. Service reception. Back set. Perez to Urdas. Chance right now for Batangas. He takes the lead. Monteser block. Down the line. Perez to Urdas. Urdas finally scores.
And itong si Urdas, she needs a lot of those for her to gain back her confidence.
Very confident National U. Looking strong. Looking good. The official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League is Axel. Urdas will service error, 14-all, third set. Nakikita mo, even sa body language at facial expression ni itong si Sweet Urdas, nangangapa pa. Itong former Rookie of the Year na si Aiko Sweet Urdas. Ivy Perez going to Myla Pablo. She will not be denied.
Si Pablo, walang tinitinda. Talagang giving it her all. Approach pa lang.
Saka alam na ni Myla na baka mamiligro yung third set sweep. Oops.
Nako. Dikit pa naman ang score ngayon ng University of Batangas.
Sabi ni Coach Ahmed, sipagan nyo dito sa ating bandang kanan. Perez, jump set. Pablo, 16 point para sa National U. They will come out of the second technical timeout ahead, but only by a slim margin, 1-point lead for National U at 16-15. Tayo po yung nagbabalik sa inyong paboritong Shakey's V-League. And for V-League updates sa ating GMA International, yan po ang mga social media sites na inyong pwedeng puntahan para mas baybayan ng latest happening at sa inyong mga paboritong atleta. Welcome to the Ultra Fan family of the game, ang Salona family. Anita, Annette, Erica at Jericho, Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybay sa Shakey's V-League at ang inyong matatamis na ngiti at malugod na mga kaway. Among pumbala dito po sa Shakey's V-League where it all started. And don't look now. Ganado, determinado ang Brahmans ng University of Batangas.
Well, here in this set, so far, ang University of Batangas has scored 6 attack points. Mas mababa siya than NU with now 12 points. Pero dahil sa dami rin ng errors na nagagawa nitong nakukommit ng NU here in this set, talagang kayang sumabay nitong University of Batangas. Plus, they're doing quite a good job pagdating sa reception.
At saka pinapaluan na sila ngayon ng Batangas. Kanina, puro lobo lang eh.
Isip siguro ng Lily Brahmans.
Ganun din naman, di ba?
Nothing to lose.
Oo. But that is just a demonstration on the kind of opposition that they are to overcome. As Jaja, using her offhand, finished off that last point for National U. Ultra-fast LTE for a happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps monthly internet for slow. That's 999. 3 service errors para sa National U. At yan ang nagiging bala ng Brahmans para makadikit. Perez to Jaja.
Naninigurado itong si Perez.
Kailangan dahil pag nilaro mo yan, baka magdelikado sila. Jalan making her comeback in lieu of Ivy Perez. Youthful looking Rica Diolan was also played extremely well for National U. Almost an ace. Monteser running hit. Urdas, too long. Walang mamarka sa kanya, walang makakatapat. All she needs to do is get that ball deep and get that ball deep and in.
But I think it has also something to do with psychological no?
Pag-iingat.
Oo, nag-iingat siya dahil yun nga. She's injured and recovering from an injury.
Pag may nararamdaman ka kasi talaga, maski sabihin mong magaling na, merong panghihina at merong sakit kahit bahagya.
Lalo pat lahat ng ginagawa ng volleyball players talaga, it's all about jumping.
Talon, change direction, lateral action. 20 points para sa National U, 2 points ahead and 2 sets on top laban dito sa University of Batangas. Umalo si Madalugdog, sinetap ni Castor. Instead, sa isang puntos na hinahanap nila, they will give the Bulldogs a 3-point lead at 21-18. If it's Fun Family and Pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Solid serve. Monteser, off speed. Good save coming from Myla Pablo. Alam mo, si Myla Pablo yung pinakamasipag dito sa floor defense ng,
sa ngayon.
Oo, ng National U. Siya yung makikita mo yung mukha na gusto na talaga niya na tapusin dahil alam niya hindi nangangayaw itong Batangas at pag biniro mo, kakagating ka nila.
Tama. And kung ang University of Batangas, they're looking at this game as a learning experience, gayon din naman para sa NU, ano? And the more they get to do what they do in practice, what they do in training, if they can end this in 3 sets, all the better also for them.
Palo mula sa likuran. Oops. Free ball given up by National U. Chance para kay Monteser. Castor inangat yung bola para kay Jamila. Oops.
Still a point.
For Doria. Biggest lead in the last minute or so para dito sa National U. 16-15 lang yan dun sa ating second technical timeout. Jamila getting a rest. Larsha stepping up to the plate. Marites Pablo was a very solid serve.
She's always pulled in para sa kanyang serve, but this time it was long.
Magkapatid kaya sila?
Actually, yeah, I've always wondered. Magkamag-anak.
Sabay tingin kay Trisha.
Oo nga.
19 points for the Brahmans, 23 for National U, Yolan. And the Bulldogs have 5 set points, equals 5 match points. And Ordaz will have an opportunity to close this third set and this match for the Bulldogs.
If, I think, itong ano na to, dagdag panalo ng NU, definitely, it's good advantage no, para sa kanilang team.
Saramal setting up Pablo. Pablo converts the 25th point para dito sa National U. And the Bulldogs will sweep the Brahmans 25-16, 25-14, and 25-19 as Coach Ejet Mabayad finally comes up with a smile kasamangan.
Siyempre, they managed to win already in straight sets. Pwede na siyang makahinga.
Pwede na makahinga, oo. At maya-maya po lamang, as we take a look at this shake and play, makikita natin kung sino ba ang napili ni Binibining Andre Mulya para maging recipient ng isang napakasarap at napakalaki na pizza mula sa Shakey's na gusto kong abutin.
Next time ang pipiliin natin friend natin.
Oo.
Para mabigyan tayo.
Ito ang friend natin, si Trisha Robredo with our best player of the game na walang iba kundi si Jaja Santiago.
Okay, so Jaja, you came into this game knowing na ang katapat ninyo University of Batangas. Ano naman personally yung mindset mo nun?
Yung mindset ko, maglaro ng maayos, yung kung ano yung natural na laro namin every game. Kasi, yun nga, parang pag mahina kasi yung kalaban, dati, ina-underestimate namin. So, yung mindset ng team namin is, angatan yung laro every game, kahit sino yung kalaban. And, dapat hindi kami sumasabay sa laro ng kalaban namin.
Okay, so Jaja, ngayon naman you swept them in 3 straight sets. Are you satisfied with your team's performance?
Hindi po, kasi hindi namin, yung game namin ngayon, hindi ganun kaayos yung laro. Kasi yun nga, sinabayan namin yung laro ng kalaban, yung kailangan nang improve.
Okay, so Ja, last question. Ano naman yung long-term goal ninyo sa Shakey's B-League? At anong gagawin ninyo para matrabaho yun?
Ano ulit?
Ano yung long-term goal niyo? Gusto niyo maabot sa Shakey's B-League? At ano naman yung kailangan niyo pang gawin para maabot yun?
Siyempre yung goal naman namin lahat mag-champion, di ba? Ang kailangan lang naming... Ano yung last question?
Kailangan yung gawin para maabot
yung kailangan namin gawin is, yun, i-improve pa namin yung team play namin, and then yung pag-start nung game, kailangan namin kasi start strong. Kaso, pag game ngayon, naging mababa pa. So, yun.
Okay, so Jaja, sana hindi ka na dito malito. May gusto ka bang batiin ngayon?
Hello po sa mga kamag-anak namin sa Prudencio. Sila, Talamayan family and the Rodriguez family. Yung family ko po sa Isabela, sa Cavite, sila Antonio and Boy Antonio. And sa mama ko po sa Israel, saka sa kaibigan po namin sa Abu Dhabi, si Doc Jean saka si Doc Jen.
Okay, thank you, Jaja. And last player of the game, we present to you this box of Shakey's. Thank you, congrats. And back to you guys.
Thank you, Trisha. At sa lahat ng mga binate ni Jaja Santiago, sa ngalan ni Trisha Robredo, and of course ni Miss Andre Mulya, ito si Ronnie Magsanok nagsasabing maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay sa Shakey's B-League.